Hey friends, imagine a small boy from a small village who used to work 17 hours a day in the fields. But even after working so hard, many times he could not get a boy who spent his childhood in extreme poverty. The same boy later becomes the owner of one of the biggest car companies in the world. In South Korea, every wall, every road, every house will become the most important lesson. If you also want to do something big in your life, like Chang Ju-young, then do something extraordinary, due to which you become famous all over the world. What are those lessons? They will be different from my lessons from today's case study, so definitely write those lessons by commenting so that others can also learn more things. Now let's start. Now let's move ahead with today's amazing case study. Chang Ju-young was born in 1915 in a poor farmer's house in a small village in North Korea. He was the eldest of his 5 siblings. His father was a farmer and his family was financially weak. Since childhood, he had seen poverty and struggles. Due to financial conditions, his family could not afford his education. But Chang Ju-young was very interested in studies. He used to go to school by walking several kilometers barefoot every day. One day, he came across a newspaper in which he read about a city where education was easily available and many job opportunities were present. Seeing this, he decided to go to that city and make something of himself. But his father was against this decision. He wanted Chang Ju-young to continue farming with him. Despite his father's resistance, he ran away from home with a little money and reached the city. In the city, he started working in a rice shop as a laborer. He used to work 16-17 hours a day, but still saved some money and sent it home. After a few months, his father found out about him and brought him back. But his passion for learning and growing never faded. After some time, he again ran away from home and started working in another city. This time, he took admission in a school, studied for some time, and then started working in a car repair shop. Here, he learned about cars, engines, and their functioning. He worked diligently and saved some money. After working for a few years, he decided to start his own business. In 1947, with his savings, he started a construction company named Hyundai Engineering and Construction. His company started getting government projects, and due to his hard work and determination, the company started growing rapidly. Later, he expanded Hyundai into automobile manufacturing, and today, Hyundai is one of the largest car companies in the world. From extreme poverty to building one of the biggest automobile companies, Chang Ju-young's story teaches us many valuable lessons. Lesson 1. Never give up on your dreams. No matter how difficult your situation is, never give up on your dreams. Chang Ju-young had nothing, yet he pursued his dreams and achieved massive success. Lesson 2. Take calculated risks. He took the risk of leaving his home and starting something new. Every successful person has to take risks at some point in life. Lesson 3. Keep learning and improving. Even after facing so many challenges, he kept learning new skills, from farming to car repair to business. Continuous learning is the key to success. Lesson 4. Hard work is the only shortcut to success. There is no shortcut to success except hard work. He worked 16-17 hours a day, which eventually paid off. Lesson 5. Adaptability and innovation. He started with construction, but later moved into the automobile industry when he saw the opportunity. Being adaptable to change is crucial for growth. Lesson 6. Believe in yourself. He believed in himself even when no one else did. If you believe in yourself, you can achieve anything. Lesson 7. Help others grow. He provided jobs to thousands of people and contributed to the growth of South Korea. True success comes when you uplift others. So friends, what lesson did you learn from this story? Comment and let me know. If you liked this video, then don't forget to like and share it. See you in the next video.